Hello friends. Have you guys ever imagined how vast space is up there? But did you guys know that this vast space apparently also face a garbage problem, just like we face on Earth? Imagine at an altitude of almost 800 kilometers above Siberia to satellites smashing into each other at a difficult speed, 22.300 miles per hour. Even more shocking, this is not a scene from a movie, but rather a real incident between Russian satellites, Cosmos 2021, which is no longer active, and the satellite United States Communications, Iridium 33, which is still active. Let me tell you, an astonishing occurrence that happened in 2009. And here's which is the beginning of our awareness of a serious problem named space junk. Right now, of 23,000 man-made flakes, measuring above 10 centimeters, which is circling our planet. This poses a huge challenge for the space community international to find a solution in managing and clean up these garbage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button so you don't miss other interesting videos. See you guys in the next video. But hold on, it's new that can be tracked. Scientists estimate there's about 500,000 splinters, measuring between 1 to 10 centimeters, who are also hanging around there. This devastating collision produced thousands of splinters that are now floating in Earth orbit. How these junk can exist in space. Everyone started since the launch of Sputnik 1 on October 4th, less than 1957. The first man-made satellite that managed to escape the gravity of the Earth, starting from the abandoned parts of the rocket, defunct satellites, up to things small that we might never have guessed, like fragments, peeling paint, loose nuts and bolts. There's even a spatula and a screwdriver floating freely in orbit. This historic moment does mark the beginning. Space age. But who would have thought? This is also the beginning of the space debris problem that we are dealing with now. From then on, over 4,700 launches been done all over the world, every single one of these launches leaving a trail of space debris, which is worrying. Most of this trash is within 2,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface, in the area we know as low Earth orbit. This is the same zone where a lot of satellites on and the space station was operational. Imagine how dangerous debris can be. These flakes that move at speed really high could crash and damage space equipment. That still works. Space debris problem. It reminds us that human activity not only impact on Earth, but also in space. Well guys, how do you guys think about this space debris issue? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below.